Hello, welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new, please go ahead and consider subscribing. If you're not, hey girl, long time no see. So, I actually have not been wanting to plan. That's probably why you guys have not seen me do any planning videos, because what am I planning for? Planning to sit at home? Basically. But I'm gonna bring those back anyway. And then last week, I had a death. A close friend of the family had passed on Thursday. No, it was not due to the coronavirus, but it was just, there was a lot of stuff going on. Anyways, y'all not here for that. You guys are here to see me unbox my new sewing machine here. So let me go ahead and let you know the story about this, okay? So I already had a sewing machine, but it kept jamming, it kept messing up. So when we moved out to Texas, I just got rid of it. And my husband was all like, okay, just get you a new one once we get out there. Well, we got out here. We've been out here. This is going on, what? This is 3 months now? 3 months that we've been out here in Texas. And I just got me a sewing machine because now that the kids are officially not going back to school, I need something to get my mind off of the homeschooling besides filming and playing with makeup, okay? Not that that's a problem. I'm just saying, I need to do something else, okay? So I went ahead and got me a sewing machine, and I got this not just to make masks, because you know right now everyone has to walk around with a mask or some kind of covering or something like that. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna last for a while because viruses don't just go away. Okay, I'm just saying, they don't just go away and disappear. Anyways, so I got this, and also for my business that I have a cosmetics business. I'm gonna be using this sewing machine to make my own custom makeup bags and some other kind of cool stuff with here. So I just got this, as you can see, I don't know if you can really see it. So I'm gonna move the camera down so you can see what it is. The Singer Confidence Quilter. I figured I would invest in a sewing machine I can use like later on if I ever want to make any quilts or blankets. It's a 5-minute start. It has stitch guide. It has machine intro video. Has anytime support. Has automatic features for easy sewing and quilting. Has an automatic needle threader, automatic switch automatic switch for length and width, 6 fully automatic 1-step buttons, or buttonhole, my bad, I thought it was buttons. And then there's some other key features with this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my box cutter, and then we're gonna go ahead and open this. All right, you guys, so I got my handy dandy trusty husky box cutter. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. So this has actually been sitting by my front door after it came, and I'm just now opening it. So when I use it, I will be using it right here on my planner desk when I do use it. So I'm just, see if I can bring you guys up a little more. So we're gonna bring out this piece. Okay, so this has the extended arm here in this space, and it looks like the extra goodies are in here too. You guys, I'm gonna put this on the floor and pull it out. So it does come with a bag with a disc and the instruction, and then the little fabric cover, which I think I'm gonna end up making me my own sewing machine cover. Let's put this down. The struggle is real, y'all. All right, here you go. We done taken it out the box. I think I'm gonna use that. And ooh, it's like Christmas. I was not trying to break that, so I wanted to keep this. Okay. So in this portion that came on the right side, it does come with the cord and the foot pedal. So I do want to keep the foam in the box because we are planning on buying a house and I want to make sure I can put this away nicely. Okay, so this is the back of the sewing machine right here. Super duper excited. Let me flip it around. By the way, this is about 24 pounds. Yeah, it was 24.6 pounds. So I'll leave the link to this baby down below in the description box if you're interested. And I purchased mine directly from the from Singer itself. All right, so there's already a needle in here, y'all. I'm super excited about this. Ooh, I am loving this. I hope you guys can see this. So there is, you pull this out, I hope you guys can see that. Let's bring you a little closer. As close as I can get you. Which right now, that's it. All right, so right down here, it actually has a card that you pull out. And this baby shows you all the different stitches you can do. It's just right here at your fingertips. There's quite a bit of stitches. I really wanted a sewing machine that was a little bit more automated. So that is what we got here. Bring you a little closer. So that is what this baby looks like. I like the neck part right here. It's very big. So if you are quilting, you can roll up your quilt, put the part you're not sewing in here, and you kind of feed it that way as you go. So I like that part. Let's go ahead and take some of this stuff off. Ho, we got some goodies hiding in here, you guys. So we have this baby here for when you want to do your buttons and stuff, like your buttonholes and everything. Now, honestly, you guys, I do not do buttonholes for anything, but at the slight chance that I might, you know, I got this baby here. We got some more little goodies in here. All the things you need for sewing and to maintaining your machine, like this little brush here. All right, so I'm gonna put that right back in here. So that's nice. So next I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys so you guys can see what exactly it comes with it. I do wanna turn this on and play with it, but I don't think I wanna do that on camera with y'all. But yeah, I am liking it. If it don't work, if it's, hopefully there's nothing wrong with it once I plug it up, because if it is, I'm gonna be kind of mad because it's taken a while for it to come. So it does come with the quick start DVD here. It comes with a couple other informational stuff here, like that. I guess this is for my warranty. And it talks about the extension table and all the other good stuff right here. This is another quick starter sheet right here to let you know a lot of stuff about the machine. And it's like you open it up into a book. So that is some nice information there. And then it actually comes with the sewing machine book. And it has, that's the name and the model that I have. And these are the instructions on how to use the baby. And I'm pretty sure it has the maintenance guide and stuff in here as well. Ooh, I like the book, I like this book. So this is the little cover. I'm just gonna use it for right now until I make me one. And when I make one, I will go ahead and share that with you guys. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and put it on top. So that is what it looks like with the cover on. Yeah, I'll end up making me one. Yeah, I'm gonna end up making me a cover. So next I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this baby for you. We're gonna take this right out the foam. We're gonna keep this foam too. Oh, I just dropped something. So here is the extension cable. It's right here. There we go. That is a lot of extra room here. And then on the back of it, it does have, you know, the stand so it will sit up. That's nice. This is nice. And then it came with a value-added accessories. Value-added accessories. Okay, it came with this bag here of extra feet. So we got some extra feet here. We even got the one for quilting. So I'm super happy that we got some extra feet here. Super excited about that. And I'm glad all of it came in its own little bag. Hopefully I don't lose the bag. So that's nice. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I just wanted to unbox my new sewing machine with you guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. Please consider subscribing. If you know me already, hey girl, hey. I know I've been, you know, when you're not feeling it, you're just not feeling it. So I wasn't feeling it. But I'm back. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know if you guys are interested in me showing you some sewing videos. I really wasn't going to do that, but if you guys are interested, I'll share them with you guys. But be looking out for Plan With Me's. I will be getting back on track on those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.